Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set up free shipping for orders under a specific cart weight in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, and then you see product weight, total weight for quantity. So we have 4 quantity, and then you see total order weight. So we are going to apply free shipping when cart is under a specific weight or below weight. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WooCommerce weight based shipping. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in WooCommerce setting and then you see shipping tab. So click on it. So we are going to apply free shipping under specific weight, and above specific weight we are going to charge amount based on total cart weight. So we are in shipping and we have shipping zone worldwide. If you want to add global rule, now you see weight based shipping. So you can click on this option and then delete this if you want to apply global. But we have shipping zone, so we are going to apply weight based rule on shipping zone. Now you see edit, so click on it. So we are going to delete previous method and then you see flat rate, so we are going to delete it. Now delete it and then we are going to add weight based shipping method and then you see button add shipping method, so click on it. Now you see create shipping method. After activating plugin, then you see this option weight based shipping, so click on it and then click on continue. Now you see edit title, enable description, so click on edit. So we are in shipping zone worldwide and then you see weight based shipping. So we are going to add weight based shipping rule within this shipping zone worldwide. Now you see loading. Now you see weight based shipping. You see multiple rules we have. So first we are going to delete all. And then you see add first rule, so click on it. Now you see title, destination, product, weight, value, shipping, note. So you can add title. So we added title and then you see destination. Now you see all we selected. If you want, you can select country, product all, and then you see any weight. Now select. So we are going to apply free shipping under specific total cart weight. Now you see from kg. Now add 0. And then you see up to excluding. So we are going to add 20. So up to excluding means that you are including everything up to a certain point but not including that point itself. It means 20 is not including in this weight. So when you say up to excluding x, you are specifying a range that starts from beginning and goes to but does not include point we mention here 20. So it means 0 to 19 and then click on OK. Now you see value, total price for cart item. Now you see total weight of cart item in kgs. So for now we don't add any value and then you see free shipping. So click on it. Now you see free, select. So we select free shipping and if you want you can add some note. So below 20 kg we are going to apply free shipping and then we are going to add one more rule. Now you see add rule, so click on it. So you can add name. So we added name, shipping charges above weight, destination any, product all, weight 20, up to excluding infinity, maximum, value we don't add here, and then free shipping. Now select. Now you see flat. If you want you can add some flat. It means when total cart item weight above 20 or equal to 20, we are going to charge $10 or $15. This is flat price. If you want, you can add some progressive like increase $5 every 5 kg, increase $2 every 2 kg. So it's up to you. Now you see EG, for example, 1.50 every 0.5 kg. Or if you want, you can add flat plus progressive. It means when total cart item above 90 kg, so we are going to charge $20 and when increase 5 kg, then we are going to charge on every increase. Now select. Now you see charge for first. So we are going to charge 20 for first 20 kg. And then you see then we are going to charge $5 on every 5 kg. So this is flat plus progressive, and then click on OK. So you can add note if you want and then click on save. Now save done, go to cart page and refresh the page. So we are in cart page, and then you see total weight for quantity 20 kg. If you want to display product weight, total weight for quantity, also you see total order weight. So we are going to display this using custom code, and you will find that video link in video description. Now you see total order weight 20 kg, and then you see shipping charges above weight 20. If we increase one quantity, update cart. Now flat plus progressive. Now you see shipping charges above weight 25 because 5 kg increase. Now below 20, and then click on update cart. So now we are going to apply free shipping. Now you see free shipping on weight because our weight quantity below 19. Now you see 15 kg. So in this way you can apply free shipping for lightweight order for WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.